Hello, everybody. I'm Eustace Leon Greaves, Jr., owner and principal of Greaves Financial Services and the Bridge Insurance Agency. Sorry that it's been a while since I've put any new videos on my video blog here at Eustace Greaves, Jr., but things have been a little hectic this summer. And as you can imagine, then when the fall comes in and you're taking the no longer little one back to college, well, responsibilities add up. But I promise I'll be doing more videos and more blogging on my written blog, which is brooklyncovered.com, in the weeks and months ahead, especially as we get closer and closer to tax season. But the reason for my making this hurried video today is because a client of mine who's getting ready to purchase a condo asked me to take a look at her good faith estimate, just as a courtesy. And I looked it over, and guess what I found? There's a section in the good faith estimate called Your Charges for All Other Settlement Services. Now, that includes charges for appraisal fee, a flood certification fee, an inspection. It just says inspection perf pre-close. I don't know what that means. That would be a good question to ask. A tax service fee, a second appraisal, and then a borrower's attorney's fee. Now, I'm going to assume, I know I watched that episode of The Odd Couple years ago. Don't assume, but I'm going to say that all of these fees are legitimate fees. Problem is, they gave my client a number or a total that was $750 more than the actual numbers in their good faith estimate. So I called the client after checking it 5 times. I have my handy dandy, been with me for the past 15 years, Hewlett Packard 17B2 business calculator. All I know how to do is add, subtract, multiply, and divide on this thing, but I've got power. When I told her, listen, they have a figure here that is $750 too high. And if you don't address this with them now, you're gonna leave $750 on the closing table that you shouldn't have left. So she thanked me, and she's trying to get the bank now to make sure that they give her yet another revised good faith estimate. So I would just say that, look, do yourselves a favor. Make sure anytime you're purchasing a home, be it a condo, co-op, a building, a commercial property, go over your good faith estimate with a fine-tooth comb. It is your right to do so. Go over it with a fine-tooth comb. And as we're getting ready to file our income taxes for the tax year 2013, make sure that you go over your 2012 and 2011 tax returns with a fine-tooth comb, especially if you have, you pay someone else to prepare them for you. Make sure there's no hidden dangers in there that are going to come back and cause you to owe the government or the state or the city additional money. So again, go over your documents, especially those of you who are going to enjoy the blessing of owning property. Go over your good faith estimate with a fine-tooth comb and make sure that all the numbers add up. I'm Eustace Leon Greaves, Jr. It's been a pleasure making this video for you, and you can always reach me at 718-783-2722. And you can also email me. We have a shorter email address for you now, info@eljr.com. That's info@eljr.com. If you like what you've seen, subscribe and tell your friends. Thanks a lot. Take care. God bless. And remember, it's always up to you to create an outstanding day. Bye-bye.